In the vast landscape of wearable technology, Haylou stands out as a notable Chinese accessory brand, renowned for its affordable yet feature-packed smartwatches. Originating as part of the Xiaomi ecosystem, the brand has carved its niche in the market, gaining recognition for delivering quality products at an accessible price point. Haylou's journey into the tech accessory realm started as an integral part of the Xiaomi ecosystem. Xiaomi, a giant in the tech industry, has fostered numerous innovative subsidiaries, and Haylou was among them. The brand became synonymous with reliable and budget-friendly smartwatches, capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts globally. A noteworthy aspect of Haylou's strategy involves collaborating with other brands to extend its reach. The OnePlus Nord watch, for instance, is a testament to this collaborative approach, being essentially a rebranded version of the Haylou RS4 Plus. This diversification allows Haylou to cater to a broader audience under different brand names, while maintaining its commitment to affordability and functionality. Recently, Haylou has unveiled its latest offering in China, the Haylou Watch R8. Boasting a classic appearance, this smartwatch aims to elevate the user experience with a myriad of features. The Haylou Watch R8 features a 1.43-inch circular AMOLED display, surrounded by a sleek metal bezel. With a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, a pixel density of 376 ppi, and a 60 Hz refresh rate, the device provides crisp visuals. Users can customize their experience with multiple watch faces and benefit from the always-on display functionality. The smartwatch is developed to withstand various environmental conditions, boasting an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Its 22mm strap and 85 grams weight contribute to a comfortable and durable accessory. Haylou Watch R8 caters to fitness enthusiasts with over 100 sports modes, including heart rate monitoring, sleep tracking, blood oxygen level tracking, and stress monitoring. The device seamlessly connects with smartphones running Android 6.0 or iOS 9.0 or higher via Bluetooth 5.3 and a dedicated companion app. Noteworthy features include NFC support for contactless payments and compatibility with Baidu Maps for navigation. The smartwatch is powered by a 300 mAh battery, supporting wireless charging. Haylou claims up to 7 days of battery life with mixed usage, and an impressive 20 days in basic mode. While the Haylou Watch R8 has made a resounding entry into the Chinese market with a price tag of 269 yuan or $39, eager enthusiasts around the world await news of its global availability. Currently available for purchase in China through platforms like JD and other local retailers, the smartwatch has generated significant interest for its compelling features at an affordable price point. In essence, the Haylou Watch R8 embodies the brand's commitment to delivering affordable, feature-rich smartwatches without compromising on style and functionality. As Haylou continues to expand its product lineup, it remains a prominent player in the ever-evolving landscape of wearable technology. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and good luck.